right, we have some news coming in. Inside details of Chief Justice of India's Ganapati Puja invitation. Top sources tell us the invitation was sent out by the CJI to several dignitaries, including the Prime Minister, inviting them to be part of the Ganapati Pandal. The Chief Justice of India has had daily visitors at his home to be part of the Ganapati Pujan, including Supreme Court judges and other officials as well. Majority of the people have been visiting during the evening Aarti, which is when even the Prime Minister made a visit. Prime Minister's visit to the CJI's residence was very brief. This is the information we have here, that the Prime Minister left immediately after the puja and after taking prasad. While Prime Minister was there, several other officials from the Supreme Court, including the registry level officers, were also present at the CJI's residence. So this is the information that we have here at this point. Kanu Sharda, who tracks court, joining us for more on that. Kanu, we have some inside details on the Chief Justice of India conducting the Ganesh Puja at his home. We believe he invited several dignitaries, including the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister was there very briefly, carried out the puja, took the prasadam and left. There were many others. Among them was the Prime Minister. Would you want to list out who were invited, what this controversy is all about? How is the Bar Association looking at it?
Yes, Nabila, the fifth day of the Ganapati Puja was yesterday, and that is why, several dignitaries were invited. It was since the Ganapati Puja has started since last Saturday, a lot of dignitaries are visiting the CJI's office because he comes from Maharashtra, and this is an annual affair that he does the Ganapati Puja and a Pandal at his place. So many dignitaries were there. The Supreme Court, many Supreme Court judges they have already went to his house, and also some senior registrar level officials were also present there at this point in time. Our sources have confirmed that Prime Minister stayed only for a brief time because of the restrictions over his route. That is why he spent only few minutes over there. But after taking prasad, he immediately drove back to his residence. So as far as the reactions over at the bar is concerned, the reactions are mixed feelings that we are getting from the lawyers. Some lawyers are openly criticizing the thing that the CJI should not have met the PM like this and not invited, and executive and judiciary should have worked at an arm's length. But there are few lawyers also who saying that unnecessarily controversy shouldn't be created only because the PM has invited CJI. It's an annual affair. He's a Maharashtrian. He held this kind of puja every year. So it is well within his rights to invite anyone he wants to. So that is these are all the kinds of information we are getting from the sources.
Thanks very much, Kanu, for joining us on that. All right, we see a big meltdown there over Prime Minister's puja video at Chief Justice of India's residence. Politics has erupted over Prime Minister Modi's arrival at the residence of D.Y. Chandrachud to attend Ganesh Puja celebrations. D.Y. Chandrachud, the Chief Justice of India, and his spouse, Kalpana Das, were seen extending a warm welcome to the Prime Minister at their residence, who also participated in traditional rituals, including performing the Aarti, offering prayers to the idol of Lord Ganesha. Senior Supreme Court lawyers have lashed out at the CJI, D.Y. Chandrachud, for compromising the division of powers between the judiciary and the executive. Both Uddhav Sena and the Congress have launched scathing attacks, claiming that they have lost confidence now in the independence of the court, of the Supreme Court, further demanding that the Supreme Court Bar Association condemn this and pull this up.
चीफ जस्टिस साहब के पास प्रधानमंत्री जी गए और प्रधानमंत्री जी और सर हमारे चीफ जस्टिस साहब ने एक साथ मिलकर आरती भी उतारी भगवान की। हमारी शंका इतनी है कि क्या ये संविधान के रखवालदार इस प्रकार से अगर राजनीतिक नेताओं से मिलते हैं तो लोगों के मन में शंका है। हमारी जो केस है महाराष्ट्र में, जो घटना बाह्य सरकार चल रही है और उसकी सुनवाई चंद्रचूड़ साहब के सामने चल रही है, तो हमें शंका है कि हमें न्याय मिलेगा।
स्पष्ट कर दिया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूजा अर्चना का इस्तेमाल राजनीतिक फायदे और नुकसान के लिए करती है। बीजेपी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया कि कल की पूजा का मकसद लोगों के दिमाग में हलचल पैदा करना था। इसका मतलब भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मकसद पूजा करना नहीं है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मतलब पूजा के बदले राजनीति का लाभ और नुकसान देखने का है।
This is not a proper conduct. Of course, there is a separation of institutions. That means the power, legislature, executive, and judiciary. It was his private function in which he would have not invited, and Prime Minister would have also not accepted it.
आप क्या चाहते हैं? Cannot the different pillars of democracy meet? Cannot they converge? Should not they be friends? Should they be enemies? Should they not be talking to each other? सुप्रीम कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस से अगर देश के प्रधानमंत्री मिलते हैं, उस पे आप आपत्ति करते हैं, और वहां अमेरिका जाके इल्हान ओमर से मिलते हैं, उस पे आपत्ति नहीं है। जो पीओके के साथ खड़ा है, जो देश को बेचना चाहता है, जो हिंदुस्तान के विपरीत बुद्धि रखती है, उसके साथ मिलने से कोई आपत्ति नहीं है।
During the time of Ganesh Chaturthi, we all go to each other's house for participating in the Ganesh Puja. This is part of our culture and Sanskriti. In fact, Uddhav Sena should know this best. But even something like a puja has been made a crime and politicized by Priyanka Chaturvedi. And what is shocking is that she is imputing motives to Chief Justice of India, not deciding a particular case as per her timetable and schedule. This is nothing short of contempt of court. It is shocking. It is objectionable. It is an attack on the institution of the judiciary, on Supreme Court and on the Chief Justice of India, no less.
गणपति जी के समय किसी के घर पे जाते समय क्या उसका पद देख करके घर पे जाया जाता है? पद के ऊपर उठ करके श्रद्धा होती है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी गणपति जी की आरती कर रहे हैं। इस बात को लेकर के उबाटा के नेताओं की आपत्ति है। गणेश जी की आरती करना, किसी के घर सम्मान पूर्वक जाना, यह राजनीति का मुद्दा नहीं हो सकता। इतनी छोटी सोच, घिनौनी सोच, इससे ऊपर आने का प्रयास करें।
Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live for more on that. Aishwarya, take it away on the controversy that's brewing around Prime Minister Narendra Modi being part of the Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations at D.Y. Chandrachud's residence. The opposition says this is nothing but the constitution itself being compromised, judiciary being compromised, all sorts of attacks that he's now being faced with.
Well, Nabila, we've really seen a snippet of a video create such a huge controversy, but that is exactly what has happened in this video, in which we can very clearly see Prime Minister Narendra Modi taking part in the Aarti and also being very warmly welcomed by the CGI and his wife Kalpana Das. Now, on one side are the lawyers who at the moment, Nabila, are saying that this is not right, but on the other side, during festivals, we all definitely go to one another's house. So that is exactly what the BJP is also saying, that it is not just Prime Minister Narendra Modi, there were other people also, but it is just the opposition which wants brownie points. That's the reason why they are just pinpointing at Prime Minister. They are saying that it is not just the PM, but others who were also invited. These kind of things should not happen. Also, the BJP at the moment saying that it is the Prime Minister who's making sure that everyone is included. That's what the BJP wants, but it is the opposition which is now raising fingers and saying that this kind of bonhomie will not bode well for India as a whole. Nabila.